Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. To all my viewers out there, I welcome you on this video regarding how to put my name or how to put your name on the lock screen on your phone. So before we get started, I want you to check on your software update or what iOS version you have right now. To get into it, please click on your settings right here. Now once you're in your settings, click on General tab right there, and then just choose right here. Should be software update over there. Then this should show up. As you can see here, this is going to be 16.5 or iOS 16.5, and it should say iOS 16.5, iOS is up to date. Please make sure this is the same thing that you have right now on your screen, because actually right now on June 6th, 2023, I'm recording this one. This is the latest version. If you have more latest versions, just make sure to install them and make sure you see this bottom part right here, iOS is up to date. That's our target, okay? Now, once you have that one, I want you to go on your Play Store, because this involves a third-party app to fully utilize this home screen name. By the way, let me just show you that name, okay? That name is gonna be this one right here. This is what your target, this is what you want, right? So let me teach you real quickly. Right here, please click on App Store and just search for AnyText. There are plenty text or AnyText widgets out there, but this is the one I prefer, and it should look like this. AnyText Lockscreen widgets. I actually have it right now on my phone. I already installed it, but please click on it. Once installed, click on Open, and you're gonna have a choices of 10 widgets right here. First widget is name Leslie. I just change it right there. If you want to change it to your name specifically, that's perfectly fine. Now, once you already have your name placed, I want you to go back on your lock screen, drag down right there, click on hold, whatever you please there, click on customize, choose lock screen of course, and as you can see, I have that Leslie right there, and we just remove it. Now I'm gonna click on any text right here. I can choose whatever widget I have for widget 1 to 10 right there. Since I only edited widget 1, I'm just gonna click right there. Now this is the fun thing right here. I chose Leslie for widget 1, right? Let me show you something fun. If I edited widget 1 with the name Leslie, for example, let's just say Iron Man. Click done, awesome. Now to check what I have right now, it should be real time, and that is Iron Man. So I hope you had fun. This is how you change your name on your lock screen. Please hit the please hit the like video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys.